Welcome to part 2 of the unboxing of the amazing gift from Jim, Rock Butcher. Go check him out. Please do it. Alright, as seen in previous episode, they bust up the talcum powder bags to check for narcotics. I checked myself. It was there was nothing in it. No. Just joking. Just kidding. Look! He sent me some cool stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, there's some talcum powder stuff leaking, so I put it in a pan. And a little baggie with talcum powder stuff. I don't know. Oh yeah, there's stuff on it. AU, fire assay. AA. Well, I don't know what it means, but I know AU. It means gold, man. This is feels like it's more gravel, crunched. Not gravel, crushed up rock, but not as fine. So that's also in the box. This is this is a big one, a heavy one. AU fire assay, sage gold. It says gold on it. Nice, thank you, Jim. And this is also really cool. Oh, freaking awesome. Oh, this is nice. I know everybody's gonna say, don't lick it. But this is what you get when you lick it. This is nice, man. It's a little salty. There's a red dot in it. You can see it? What the heck? Oh look. Yeah, that was happens. Here's a piece that's numbered. Oh, I don't know this.